In this tutorial video, we'll guide you through utilizing data drift for performing insert actions using 3 objects. To begin, let's configure the account, contact, and opportunity object in the Object Config tab. Start by selecting the account object, select the contact object, and then the opportunity object. Next, choose the operation type as insert. Then, select the Excel file containing the account, contact, and opportunity data you wish to insert. Ensure to map the fields appropriately for accurate insertion. Add the relationship between 3 objects. We can insert without a relationship as well. The records will be seamlessly inserted using a batch process. Finally, records are inserted with relationships in Salesforce. Thanks for watching.